Soumya, remember your favorite teacher in school?
Yeah.
Favorite food in the canteen?
Huh.
That kid who was cursed.
What?
Arey, Harry Potter.
He wasn't in our class.
Wasn't he though? Let's just get into this podcast.
ठीक है, हमारे पास हैरी पॉटर है. सबको पता है कि हैरी पॉटर के साथ क्या होता है. मतलब हैरी पॉटर एंड द फिलोसोफर्स स्टोन, हैरी पॉटर एंड द चेंबर ऑफ सीक्रेट्स. मतलब एवरीबडी नोज दैट समथिंग अबाउट हैरी पॉटर इज गोना हैपन, बट very few people think about the fact that there were other people in his class.
Yeah. So everything is about, oh, Harry, was he marked? Is he cursed? Is he blessed? Was he the savior? Like it's about him. But he takes his entire batch on this horrible ride that he is on. And what about those kids, man? They had no they had no bone in this dog fight. They definitely didn't have a dog either.
They had no dog in this bear
Boat
fight.
Yeah,
but like, see, they didn't ask for it. Okay, firstly, actually, I'll begin only with that theory that I read, which was I recently only, not related to this podcast, but I read a theory about Harry Potter. J.K. Rowling has always said that there are 1,000 students in all of Hogwarts.
Okay.
Total. But if you see the math, it doesn't add up.
Yeah.
Because according to her books, like अपने 4 boys थे, 4 girl थे एक batch में.
Correct.
Because Harry Potter के batch में 4 boys 4 girl थे in Gryffindor.
Got it.
So accordingly, Hufflepuff में 4 थे, like 8 people basically. So that doesn't add up. Like if you do 8 into 7, 56.
Yeah.
So there is no way that there are so less people in Hogwarts.
Yeah, and even the way it's written, there's always like a crowd, right?
हाँ, like Great
classes
Hall
are
पे
full.
टेबल कैसे भर रहे हैं भाई? Like
Yeah.
56 लोगों से थोड़ी भरेंगे, ऐसे तो नहीं होगा. So the thing was that someone had come up with the theory कि सिर्फ हैरी के बैच में इतने लोग थे. Because वोल्डेमॉर्ट का रेन चल रहा था तब, and people either died before they gave birth to children, or they were not in the thought process. अभी जो हो रहा है ना लोगों के साथ कि apocalypse में why should I bring a baby?
Correct.
तब हो रहा था वो, and I feel like that was very dark.
Yeah, man.
That
And
was intense.
Weirdly, it does make sense. Like a
Yeah.
lot of these weird Harry Potter theories, it does make sense that when Voldemort is out there causing all this ruckus, like people will not want to bring a kid into this world.
मतलब
So
it's
basically-
probably affected एक batch up, एक batch नीचे
Yeah.
also, but
Of
mainly
the parents, basically, Lily and James generation.
mainly Harry के batch में.
Yeah. So the Abadi was in Harry's batch, and after that,
Abadi was not in a Harry batch. That is the problem. सिर्फ Hogwarts में Harry के batch में only 4 people were there in
and then everything sort of.
हाँ, मतलब there'll be more, I guess. I don't know. Like she's never like expounded, ना एक person.
Yeah, she just says these things. वैसे J.K. Rowling. Like the other day, she was like, "There are no toilets in Hogwarts." Like, she'll just say these things, and then you're like, "Why?" I never thought about.
I was never. And dude,
The plumbing.
There was Moaning Myrtle in the goddamn toilet. Okay, there is no way that there was no toilet in Hogwarts.
She gives a date, like for so many
okay,
years.
for
there
so
was
many years.
no plumbing and all, and I'm like, I'm okay.
But the thing about J.K. Rowling is, ठीक है, she's put thought into it, she's developed a great universe and all, but ये additions जो फेंकती है ना बीच में, वो थोड़ा full.
And she doesn't realize that we were all in Harry's batch because we read it with him, right?
That's true, that's
so
true.
whenever she gives us these information packets, it hits all of us. जैसे हमारे स्कूल में हुआ है मतलब.
Correct,
हाँ.
and then we end up being the cursed by association.
Yes. Then we become the cursed. So this topic is Harry Potter and the cursed batch. Okay, because he was not alone.
He brought his whole batch down whenever he did anything.
And there is always one kid who ruins everything. You know this. You know who I'm talking about also. There's one child who ruins everything for the batch or everything for the class. मतलब अच्छा खासा हम पिकनिक पे जाने वाले थे, अभी पीटी करना पड़ रहा है हमको.
Cancel हो गया.
It is all that one child's fault. क्योंकि उसके बैग में फोन निकला. I don't know, some nonsense.
I forgot, it was so random. मतलब it's a rule. Like अच्छा, you have to keep all the main children in check. Like I bet चल ठीक है, Ernie Macmillan को ले लेते हैं as example. So he was in Hufflepuff.
Correct.
Harry's batch only. And he was always shown to be very pompous and proud and very rule following and stuff like that. I can just imagine उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, dude. Every time, like dude, first book में actually दिखाया तो था. They are leaving in the middle of the night to go to find that sorcerer's stone.
Correct.
Philosopher's stone. Neville आ जाता है ना कि तुम लोगों के वजह से हमारे ग्रिफिंडोर के पॉइंट कट रहे हैं. I will fight you. Don't leave this common room.
And see his level of frustration. He's like, guys, please relax.
मतलब माइनस में चले जाते हैं उनके पॉइंट्स. इतने पॉइंट्स कट चुके हैं हैरी, रॉन और हर्माइनी के
वजह से. तो पूरा हाउस, the whole house is getting fucked
just because of these 3 people. चल ठीक है. Actually yes, मतलब बैच वो एंड हाउस ये दो साइड में हो रहा है. वो नेविल इट्स हैपनिंग विद नेविल आल्सो, इट्स हैपनिंग विद हिज हाउस आल्सो. सो अर्नी मैकमिलन्स व्यू पॉइंट is what I was thinking about.
Would be interesting because yeah, it's just a different person who just happens to be in this batch.
ठीक है. And he is supposed to be a scholar बच्चा to start with. Like he is doing well in school and everything.
Yeah.
But he can't do well because the main hero's that best friend is like the queen of their batch.
Yeah.
He's never managed to get ahead of her.
Hermione.
That is one thing that they have talked about.
Yeah.
And another thing they've talked about is literally Ernie must be going around telling people that we have to prevent Harry from doing anything this year.
Yeah. Because every damn year something insane is happening. First year में ये हुआ. वो second year में there's a snake like stupefying.
Chilling in the
Why? Because Harry is in that batch. And he can speak Parseltongue or whatever.
Dude, कितने लोगों का नुकसान हुआ उसमें. Like there were all Muggle children, their lives were in danger. Parents and all. I don't even know how many people were involved. मतलब teachers were stumped कि कैसे snake को कैसे निकाले. Full pest control problem was going on in
third year. Lockdown because of Harry. Lockdown in third year.
We all know how painful that is now.
कहीं नहीं जा सकते, इधर नहीं जा सकते, उधर नहीं जा सकते. Shut.
हाँ ना वो Hogsmeade. See, we were introduced to Hogsmeade in Harry's third year. कि now third year में everyone is allowed to go to Hogsmeade because it's like a chill village. Everyone can buy Zonkos का joke items. I always wanted to.
Yes.
जो Zonkos का joke items you can buy and all that. And वो बंद कर दिया.
Yeah.
Because Harry के वजह से serious black घूम रहा है.
He has खुजली and Harry has to do like कीड़ा and go to buy sweets and Zonko's items.
Swear to God. And still he went. Remember, he was not allowed because he didn't get signature and he went in invisibility cloak and then he had to do all that drama. Yeah, he heard them talking about his parents and all.
And then Lupus gives that ekdam mom wala line like, your life, you think these sweets are worth everyone's life and what they're doing to protect you. And then he's like, oh, yo. So, like, that... See, all of this is happening in third year.
अरे and everyone is suffering. सबका तो कट गया ना Hogsmeade. सबका कट गया because of Harry. Like I feel like this is just an angry rant. We all hate Harry. Bring him down. If he was in my batch, I would have kept him locked in the bathroom.
Now, because we are sitting as his classmates right now, we are like this. Chutya better get his shit together. Dude, he's ruining our school life.
Full लाल बत्ती कर देंगे बाथरूम से निकला तो. बहुत मारेंगे तेरे को. Dude, I think the 5th book is a great example of Harry cursing the entire batch.
Yeah.
Because he used to say shit to Umbridge.
Yes.
And then Umbridge used to fucking come down on the entire class with all her punishments.
Yeah.
And he used to like stand up in the middle of class and be like Voldemort is back and all that. Like 2 minutes चुप बैठना.
Yeah, like
क्या जाता है? वैसे भी उससे बात करने से कुछ हो नहीं रहा है.
Yeah.
There is nothing happening there. That lady is clearly just wants to believe whatever she wants to believe.
And all this drama that he was doing got Sirius killed. Let's like fuck. Anyway.
Dumbledore attributes that to his power to love. वैसे.
Dumbledore.
Dumbledore को threat नहीं दिया. Another rant.
He's very much had a soft spot for Harry. Very much. Okay, like you can't ऐसा randomly give honesty के लिए points, bravery के लिए points, your hyperactivity and your melodrama got someone killed and you're like नहीं प्यार की वजह से मरा है. नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता. Once in a while, one slap is required. Okay. So.
Can you imagine in the middle? You are Harry, okay? You're walking in you're walking in the corridors, ठीक है? And I'm like Harry, this time ना. वो जो भी कांड करना है ना वो थोड़ा मिड ईयर में कर ले. मुझे ना ग्रेजुएट होना है बस. That's all.
And I'll be like, I'll try to accommodate your needs the best I can.
Please. वो थोड़ा मैं petition वगैरह sign करके देती हूँ.
Correct. Yeah, because they definitely would have felt that way. It's just किसी और का कोई लेना देना तो नहीं था ना.
अरे और 7th ईयर में तो सबकी बैंड ही बजा दी ना हैरी ने. सी 7th ईयर the Death Eaters took over Hogwarts. Correct.
And happily Mr. Potter didn't go only to school.
And everyone was suffering.
Everyone in his batch is getting freaking tortured.
And then when he comes back to find the Horcrux, and Neville's like, we are going to fight because Harry is back, and Harry's like, oh no, sorry dude, I'm just here to find that Horcrux. And Neville's like, wait, what?
That's not cool.
That meme. Outrageous. Like, I'd never going to get over how unlucky everybody was who was in Harry's batch, or who was in school when Harry was in school.
Yeah. So this is basically Harry being very cursed. And why we relate to this is because we've all had it, right? We've had that one person who has ruined the batch ka fun for everybody, right?
और क्या fun मिलता था? What fun we used to have in school? Limited amount of fun तो we had. वो भी छीन लेते थे इस एक बंदे की वजह से, एक बंदी की वजह से.
So true. My God. Swami, do you remember what happened to our batch?
What happened?
In St. Mary's. So I like how much St. Mary's features on this podcast.
It's a big part of our lives. It's a big part of our friendship. I think that is what it is.
So, this is, I feel bad for the cursed wala child also because she is a very good friend of mine. And all she wanted was games. Okay? Seems reasonable. Like, she was like, in 9th and 10th in St. Mary's, we didn't have games. Because they were like, if you don't want to become a...
Saina Nehwal or Sania Mirza. Then you don't need to...
Then you don't need to play games. You sit and study. That's all. That's all you do.
Oh shit, was this going to be the big reveal?
Yeah. No, not really.
Okay.
So, the big reveal is the reaction to the demand, I would say, of games.
So, and she did such a, she did such
By
a
the
ahimsa
book
wala thing.
Yeah.
She got us to sign a piece of paper. No one was doing any riot.
Our friend Chinar basically was like, you know what, let's do this the right way. The way that democracy has taught us. So she got a paper and she said, whoever wants games, you sign this. Whoever's parents think games are a good idea, they can also sign, so we have legitimacy. Like, it's not just a bunch of kids whining about something, right? And if you're asking about games, then what's the best thing to put with that? Like, thoda to formal lagna chahiye. Dude, these are 9th standard, matlab bacche apan. And she's like, yeah, we can put the benefits of games, you know? Like, why we should be allowed to play games.
Like, along with studies, this is important. Vagera, she had actually written in that.
फिर staple करके principal को भेज दिया. And we thought, yay, so proactive, Chinny, good job.
No one did anything about this so far. You are the best.
Yeah, this is so nice. Next morning assembly, the curse begins. Our batch specifically was rounded up. And like everyone else was, so assembly happens with all kids, right? And then everyone else was told to leave, we were told to stay back. And Missy Moise, our principal, just let us have it. She was like, you guys are, who do you think you are? You think I don't know the benefits of games? And she was like, you will have nothing. And if you want to play games, you stay back after school. I'll leave the gates open.
And this Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza thing, I haven't just brought it up out of my imagination. She actually put out this question to the assembly. कि तुम लोगों में से Saina Nehwal कौन बनना चाहता है? Who wants to be Sania Mirza? Put your hand up. Which chutia is going to put their hand up? No one put their hand up.
Especially the way she asked it, you know. And after that, she was like, now you see.
Dude, she basically like fucked us over.
Yeah, so we did not get a class trip, which happens usually in 9th standard. And like that was all
everything that we could do, like debate, shibate, all this.
She was like, "Nahi, inter-school hoga to nahi hoga. You guys are not going out only. Inter-school games ki like matches."
Oh yeah, she cancelled that team. Those. She cancelled. मतलब जो भी extra curricular था वो भी बंद.
There are these kids who are good at hockey. They are good at basketball. They should be allowed to play other teams. What is sab band? Everything is stopped. Okay, and the best part was she called Chinny and a whole bunch into her office and she was like, "I will suspend you for asking for games."
Also, yeah, they didn't even do anything.
Whoever had signed.
Well, this was like a weird actually transition because like it feels like, see, it's actually the same Harry Potter thing only.
Yeah.
Because whoever's proactive, they get everybody into trouble. It's better to be a part of the wall.
But it was such a small thing. And it became a curse. Like we didn't do anything in 9th and 10th.
Now I'm thinking if we had actually rioted, would that have worked?
No. Dude, they didn't let us bring cameras on the last day of farewell. Do you remember that?
Yeah, and we were taking Sumri, we were taking photos.
And her teachers were allowing it because they have a heart, man. They were like, bichare.
Her teachers were like, jaldi se le le.
Moise was like, तुमको तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Basketball में करना अपना farewell.
And she sounds like Modi.
Who knows? Maybe we should try and ask Modi for games and see what happens.
It's the test. Or based on your reaction, we come to know what your political alliance is. Oh my god. But intense, dude, it was. But here, see, this is actually a very... it's a nice story of proactiveness which turned into nightmare.
Yeah.
But I have a very weird and intense story to share with you.
Okay.
Because it happened 2 years junior to us. Unke batch
so
mein.
we were
Yeah,
long
and
gone.
when we were in 8th, it happened to them when they were in 6th standard.
So this is when we were the Fred and George and...
Yes. Oh my god, yes.
Yeah,
they were Harry's batch and we were Fred and George's batch.
I like this analogy very
Yes. We finally in the batch we wanted. Anyway, so, so is scene mein, what happened is 2 girls, I know one of them,
Yeah.
they were big favorites of the librarian. So they ended up like gaining her favor and trust and whatever, because like librarians like to talk to people who like to read, right? So she this librarian was like ki restricted section, we had one cupboard where all haunted books and all were there. Now the reason it was like that is because our school deemed that most of us were unfit to read them. Because kya pata bacche kya kar denge types. So there was one book in there which was on Ouija board stuff.
Okay.
ठीक है. So she allowed them to access that cupboard and she allowed them to take out the Ouija board.
I'm just like, why have it in the library?
I
If
agree.
you want
I
children-
always felt that about Hogwarts ka library also.
Like if you have that information, say in your school.
What? I think you should explain what the board is.
So it's basically this board. A Ouija board is one where you can like connect with spirits and call them to our world.
Yeah,
and
and
you can
has-
ask them questions and they talk.
And it
to
has
you.
letters on it, so like they can ask you questions by guiding your hand or whatever.
So this was a book on how you can call spirits, in short.
Okay.
Yeah. So these girls, they took it out and like they were like they asked the librarian if they could like borrow it, and the librarian was like, why not? Curious बच्चे हैं, क्या ही कर लेंगे types. So these two in one lunch break decided, obviously बच्चे हैं, they'll try it out ना.
Yeah.
क्या करेंगे बच्चे? So then on the back of a notebook, like एकदम टटी सा, they made a Ouija board and all that.
Achha, they made it.
Huh,
Like,
they
copied
didn't
how
even
it
have
is.
because they didn't have it na, like we can't buy it like in America. So they made it and then look at the smartness of these kids. Okay, they were like, if we have to call someone, why would we call a bad ghost? So let's think of the nicest person we know and we call their ghost.
Oh my
So
god.
they got called Mother Teresa. 6th standard के बच्चे.
But Mother Teresa is not
It's not
exactly-
nice.
So they called Mother Teresa because
but
kids,
oh.
okay, whatever.
love
So
this
because it was a lunch break, जब bell बज गया, they left it. But then next day onwards,
Mother Teresa had come
full
to St. Mary.
कांड had like happened in their 2 classes. So you remember multimedia room के ऊपर there were 2 classes. So those 2 classes only में all this was happening. By the way,
so what
it
was
was a very like the haunting was very tiny.
So the radius of the haunting was just one building. 2 classes.
One building, 2 classes, and some of like नीचे वाला class भी और multimedia room भी. Akansha, you must be remembering this. हम 8th standard में थे ना, तब multimedia room में बहुत problems होते थे. चोरियाँ होती थी.
Yes.
And
Yes.
like stuff used to be fucked up. Like people used to throw things everywhere and all. There was a vandal on the loose in that year. And like our multimedia teacher, she used to get so annoyed. I remember she had punished so many classes because she thought it was them. So ठीक है, like this is also like an extension of that only. But उन 2 classes में books were getting stolen. Papers used to be strewn everywhere.
Okay.
And there was a black cat that used to appear in their classes.
Now, so
I don't know if a black cat like unka litter tha nearby or whatever. Like obviously that's the first logical explanation. Even these kids were like, it's too much
like
of a
maybe
coincidence. I
somebody is
agree.
just coming in and throwing papers around.
Yeah,
and,
so what they did is like, and it was very intense in that sense ki, we had those wooden desks. So people used to lock them.
Yeah.
But they used to be broken the next
Locks used to
day
be
and all that.
broken.
So then finally, they all decided like we lock everything. So then no one can get into the class also. But again, it used to happen inside the class.
With the locked door.
And they find the cat in the cupboard.
The cat like ting 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 ting.
And then they were like, the cat is doing all this. Then he tried to keep the animal outside the class, but again things are happening. Finally, they were like, Mother Teresa को वापस भेजना पड़ेगा हमको. बहुत हो रहा है. But like then what was happening is those two classes suffered a lot because उनके books वगैरह like all assignments, all the test books and everything was to get like fucked. Like मतलब stealing तो होता ही रहता था. I mean you've gone through it. You know that if someone steals your assignment क्या बीतती है.
Exactly. Listen, girls' school is different trauma.
Anyway, so like ये सब हो रहा था उनके क्लास में. So everyone was suffering. Everyone was tired. Like, कितने locks जा रहे थे, कितना like मतलब the cat is around for some reason.
Just a black cat hanging around suspiciously.
Now we know at least its asshole wasn't touching everything.
Call back.
But yeah, so like ठीक है. So ये सब हो रहा था. And you remember हमारे hockey field के, so near our hockey field we had this area which was just this grass like forest patch where if you sometimes hit the ball you had to go and get it. It was very creepy. तो वहाँ पे they found like this log which was standing erect and वहाँ पे they found a doll. And it had become a big deal. All our principal, vice principal, everyone was involved. And they were like, what is to be done about this? We have no idea what is going on. Finally, the two children in question were like, we will sort this issue out and send Mother Teresa back to where she came from. And they finished that Ouija, whatever. And next day almost nothing happened. And I agree, it could just be like a wild coincidence and like...
But it doesn't feel like it. And that's...
And someone complained about them. Some girl was
like ये इसे ही बुलाया मरो.
इन लोगों ने ही किया है. इन लोगों ने किया ऐसे करके मोहन को complain कर दिया है अपना librarian. And she was like, whatever. She also started thinking it's them only after that. उनका restricted access बंद हो गया.
Obviously.
Lost their privileges to the restricted access in the library.
And they couldn't do that Accio thing also. बेचारे बच्चे. क्या मालूम.
Another weird thing in Hogwarts. Dude, fucking Hermione literally just did Accio books on Horcrux and it came out of Dumbledore's room and it came to her.
Yeah. And they couldn't do that also, बेचारे.
Oh, I have a story about a curse. I think that building is cursed because when we were in 6th standard, that time I was also in that building only. And it was a weird...
Continue.
So, like, basically in 6th standard, we had a very horrible PT display that nobody wanted to do. But we had to do it because, so we were doing like a Malayali dance, like cultural. Yeah. It was a cultural display, not a PT display. So every class had to do like a part
someone was
from
Punjabi,
someone.
Gujarati.
Punjabis clearly had the best time
because they do.
Everyone else had to do like weird things. Anyway, so like we had like this Kai Koti Kali. Kai Koti Kali. I remember the dance also. It's like ingrained in my brain. Parvati, Parvati. So we had to do that, and nobody wanted to do it. And then one day, we came to know that all the money from our charity box was stolen.
Yeah.
And then some teacher, I think our teacher only complained. And then someone came, some vice principal or someone came and like, तुम्हारे class में cultural display cancel हो गया.
And we were like,
we were like, so this was a weird curse that turned into a Vardhan. You know what I mean? Because nobody wanted to do that cultural display. Because everyone was like absolutely furious that we had to do that.
Because everyone else was wearing like fun outfits and we had as a one sleeve wala red shirt just
pink tha wo with a golden border.
And we had to gota, not border.
My
and
bad.
we had to wear a sari and we were like nahi karenge hum ye. And so moment they were like ki nahi hoga, you are punished.
Everybody was like hell yes. But then it turned out like after 1 week of pure bliss where during the PT display time we were just sitting in class doing time pass throwing rubbers at each other. After 1 week of that bliss we find out that our class teacher herself had given actually one of our very good friends change from the charity box and she didn't keep that 500 rupees back inside And because of that,
We were yelled at.
we
punished,
got yelled at. We were
called.
told about the importance of money. We were told
No,
about the
dude,
importance
we
of
were
charity.
called
We were
horrible people. They're like, how can you steal from the charity
Matlab,
box?
they were acting like we stole that money from it and went and bought samosa chaat.
They were acting like किसी गरीब के मुंह से छीन के आए हम समोसा चाट.
And
Like it was, they were ruthless. And then ma'am was like, actually.
no, she didn't even do it like that. One day she just told us randomly, ऐसे बोलते बोलते बता दिया.
Yeah.
And then the next day onwards we had to go for cultural display.
So we did the Kaikotikali.
What I'm saying is one rotten anda.
I guess this story kind of fits in where I was cursed. So, like, I was in ACJ for my post-graduation. We live in a hostel. Like, almost the whole batch lives there. Very few people used to live outside. And what was happening is someone used to come into my room and break my laptop.
Break it.
And
मतलब ऐसे-
nobody knew कौन है ये person. So, it could be a spirit as far as I am concerned. But just come into my room, break the screen of my laptop. Not even my full laptop.
Was
Just
it
the
like
screen.
some competitor sabotage? Like what?
That is what my not the dean, the person who sort of looks after everything, like that's what she was thinking. She was like, maybe someone is like jealous that you're doing well or whatever. So they even said कि कोई लड़का है. I'm like, अरे नहीं यार. Like I don't know.
Revenge smashing of laptop.
And I was like, and that is a very good strategy, I must say.
I know.
If you like me, break my things. They steal my
but what
books.
if you don't like him
They used to
back?
steal
That is
my
what's
books. Like library के books किसी ने चुरा लिया. जो books मेरे थे, like they were strewn across the room. All this is happening is when we're like going for a minute somewhere and coming back.
Oh God! So it was
Because-
someone in hostel only.
Exactly. Like that was what made most sense. Other than a ghost. So at this point, like first time जब हुआ, I just dealt with it and I informed them कि ऐसा हुआ है. They were like, oh, that's very, very not good. We'll do something about it. Not good, not good.
Not good.
So
That sounds about right, actually. yeah.
second time
They
it
can't
happened,
cancel your cultural display and all that.
Yeah. Second time it happened, Geeta Jairaj madam got very angry. She was like, you know what we'll do? People like this don't deserve privacy. We will put CCTV camera in the hostel. Now, I was not popular in college, but I was not going to be the one who is the reason that there are CCTV cameras in our hostel.
Masters के बच्चे.
And I was like, ma'am, please.
Oh my God! You almost cursed your
I
batch.
almost cursed the batch, but then I absorbed the curse. I was like, please.
You stood in front of the laser and
Yeah,
was like,
yeah.
मैं बनेगा.
I was Lily. And
I was Lily.
I was like, नहीं.
You did it
इनको छोड़ दो.
out of love.
And it was greatly appreciated. People were like, do you want us to like start a fund? And like,
See, you developed
Yeah.
a following and all because of that.
So I was, but that almost happened where I would have very much been. So till then, ACJ was like this liberal hub in a very conservative Chennai. You know, we had late in times. It was a co-ed hostel, unheard of. All those things, and like they were going to put CCTV cameras over there.
Oh my God, that was, oh my God. You
But
saved
ऐसा
them.
होता है college में. I think
You
people
saved
abuse a certain joy. Like that one kid who has skida. Like it happened in Symbiosis. I know in one of the colleges in Symbiosis, they had no uniform. Like now, you know, almost all the Symbi private schools have uniform. Like other than the Symbi Arts and Commerce, which is a public one. So they all have uniform. Why? Because there was this one time, one batch in which the boys started wearing boxers to class. And you do not push people like that, okay? Don't do that to people.
They wore them to college.
Yeah. They were like, who's going to put pants on? And so,
Basically just got up and walked out.
yeah. And after that, they were like, bahut ho gaya. You guys clearly need structure.
I knew that guy.
But see, the same case is with Harry Potter.
Huh.
ठीक है. So many probable situations could have been there. Harry
Correct.
would have not existed in one. Like this actually discussed in the series, which I
Yeah,
will, which
like
I will.
it could have been Neville. Right?
It could have been Neville. It could have been that Neville's mom didn't stand in front of Neville when Voldemort tried to kill him, or she couldn't in that moment.
Yeah.
And Neville died. It could have been that Voldemort was still alive. Then this cursed batch shit wouldn't have happened. Everyone is cursed.
Yeah.
But the idea is that already वो probability कितना low था कि वो हुआ.
That he
Voldemort
would
chose
survive.
Harry's family.
Yeah.
Harry survived because Lily jumped in front of him. Already वो probability is involved. ठीक है. Then as he grows up, already more and more things are
Building on
happening.
that.
Say Harry grew up in a different way and he became a spoiled child instead of the cursed child. And then
He was Dudley.
yeah, say for example.
Yeah.
Then his life would have been so different. He would have been a different person.
And he would have been a boon to maybe his batch because all
Maybe
his
he would have
classmates
been
would get
Ernie
cool
Macmillan, you know, like
Yeah.
Fred and George are doing shit and he's like, stop doing it.
Yeah.
तेरे वजह से हमारे house के point जा रहे हैं, you know, like.
shit. Yeah.
Already that probability was there how he grew up. Then again, so many probabilities come into play in his years also.
Yeah.
But yeah, okay, so ठीक है. Obliter Fire का probability थोड़ा कम था.
Hi, hi.
And Max, this thing, what would have happened is it would have malfunctioned at Max.
Yeah.
But it was a good chance that Harry's name would come out of it.
Because why school से हुई क्या? Like, they took no chances actually.
So yeah, but then the fact that maybe Harry wouldn't have been able to save Sirius.
To reach there.
Yeah, maybe Harry wouldn't have been able to. No, but that also the probabilities were high because Moody was making sure that he reaches there. Na? He had to send him to that graveyard so that Voldemort could cut his arm and get his blood and blood of the father and bone of the father and blood
Blood of the mother.
blood of the enemy.
Enemy. But correct.
But yeah, I think probability was so like a part of everything that happened in Harry Potter.
Yeah.
But the idea is कि इस probability की वजह से उसका batch cursed है.
Correct. Because वो curse, basically, if it's probable that you're going to face a lot of shit, then you are, I guess, cursed. So that's pretty much Harry Potter
Also
and the
see
cursed
another
batch.
The probability of those two girls finding that book and then trying that Ouija and calling Mother Teresa was insane. Like, kaise? How would that happen?
But it happened. So yeah.
Yeah, so, wow. Where have we come?
Yeah.
We've come to math now. Good job. But yeah, this was
So
going
we
to be...
tried not to be padaku. We ended up becoming
I think our analysis of Harry Potter was quite padaku.
I know, actually.
Actually, that's the definition of padaku. हमने पढ़ लिया है वो.
Yeah. So if you liked what we discussed, and if your batch was cursed, or you knew one of these annoying cursed children who ruined everything for you, please comment and let us know, because we'd love to check out your stories.
And we come up with new episodes every Friday, so make sure you watch and subscribe.
And like and share. And we also put up really tiny, cool, fun episodes in the middle of the week, so check those out as well.